In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Instagram stories on Meta Business Suite. This is a simple workflow that helps you plan ahead, stay consistent, and publish when your audience is most active without having to be online at that exact moment. Make sure your Instagram account is connected to Meta Business Suite and that you have the right permissions to post. Start by opening Meta Business Suite in your desktop browser and signing in. If you manage multiple profiles or pages, select the business you want to work with so you're looking at the right calendar and assets. From the left-hand menu, open Planner. This is your content calendar where you can view upcoming and past posts across different placements. You can switch views if needed, but the default calendar makes it easy to see your plan at a glance. Find the day you want your story to go live and click on the schedule option for that date. This tells the calendar where to place your content and helps you visualize gaps or overlaps in your plan. When the content options appear, choose Schedule Story. This opens the story composer specifically designed for Instagram stories, so you're working in the right format from the start. At the top of the composer, expand the placement area and make sure only Instagram is selected. If you also manage a Facebook page, it may be ticked by default. Deselect it so the story is scheduled exclusively for Instagram. If you have multiple Instagram profiles connected, double check that the correct one is chosen. Next, click Add Photo Video and upload your story created from your device. For best results, use a vertical 9:16 format, ideally 1080 by 920 pixels. Images should be clear and high resolution. Videos should be short, optimized for mobile viewing, and saved in a common format like MP4. If cropping appears, adjust the media so the key elements aren't cut off, and add any text or overlays available in the composer to make your story clearer and more engaging. Now set your timing. Click into the date and time fields and confirm exactly when you want the story to publish. Pay attention to your time zone and consider your audience's peak hours. If you're coordinating across regions, align the schedule to when your followers are most active. When everything looks right, click Schedule. You'll see a confirmation and the story will appear on your planner calendar at the set time. You can return to the calendar to preview, edit the time, or unschedule if plans change. That's it. You've successfully scheduled an Instagram story in Meta Business Suite. Happy planning, and I'll see you